Hi, I'm Michael Newrock. I'm the creator of Trend Profiteer, and here's what I got for you today. You can download a copy of my personal trading software that anyone can use to accurately predict which way the market will move. It works on any chart, on any time frame, and it works amazingly well with crypto. Now, I was a denier of crypto for years. Then my wife showed me her account that she had secretly started 4 months prior. It was up 5x. That's 5 times her initial investment. So I opened up BTC USD, that's Bitcoin paired against the US dollar, just like any of the Forex currency pairs you're probably used to, on my MetaTrader account, installed my software on it, tweaked the settings to suit the massive price moves experienced in crypto, and boom, it was extremely volatile. But the returns were huge. That's because extreme volatility equals extreme returns. I enhanced my settings to suit the massive price moves of crypto, and I focused on the daily time frame for the most reliable and consistent results. And I waited. It didn't take long. Alerts started coming in, and I took the trades one by one. Never before had I made so many pips so easily. That's because when a new asset class like crypto enters the market, volatility, huge price moves, is normal. And last year, crypto went mainstream. The big guys came in, the hedge funds. Nearly 1/3 of hedge fund managers plan to add crypto to their portfolios in the near future, according to a recent survey for a report on the global alternative fund industry. On top of that, there's institutions, high-value individuals, celebrities, and a big percentage of the population getting in on the action. It's become so significant, central banks are now talking about launching their own form of cryptocurrency. They're called central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. So let's be honest. The crypto market is valued at $2 to $3 trillion, and it's expected to get much, much bigger. Digital payments, security, decentralized finance, gaming, NFTs, metaverses, and a lot more that will ultimately revolutionize our daily lives is already here. And because of this fundamental integration into our lives, I wouldn't be surprised if over the next 5 to 10 years, it's valued at 50 to 100 times today's value. That means volatility is here to stay, and the giant pip moves will keep on happening. Even if you don't believe in the advancement of crypto technology and what I'm saying to be true, whether it goes to the moon or it goes to zero, it doesn't matter because you could make a ton of pips catching uptrends and you could make a ton of pips catching downtrends over and over and over again. Until crypto finally stabilizes, volatility and huge price moves will remain, and so will the returns. That's great news for anyone who trades crypto or invests in crypto, as long as they do it properly. I first released Trend Profiteer back in 2017. So on this website, as well as recent crypto trades, you'll still see videos of me trading Forex. And even though you can trade anything with this system, you likely won't generate the returns that are possible trading crypto. Check out the examples on this page and see with your own eyes how amazingly well my software has worked. It's highly accurate, so it's safe and predictable. It's fully automatic, so it's super easy to use. You get the exact settings I use, so anyone can get results from it immediately. And the potential right now is genuinely huge. When you're ready, click any of the buttons on this page and get started today.